bunch of college students just, I'm inviting you out, but I'm going to connect you with an event coordinator to confirm you for the guest list, meaning you can't come unless you get confirmed on the guest list. That's it. So nobody had to be that much of an expert for that type of three-way, and we didn't even have text messaging back then. Now it's even faster. It's just somebody saying, hey, yeah, we have one today at 12 p.m. Eastern time. That's the James Worthy Zoom. He does Monday through Friday. 8 p.m. Team Pinnacle does one 8 p.m. every day. So we have one at 12 o'clock Eastern today, 8 o'clock Eastern tonight. Which one can you attend? And then Mr. Bailey replies back, 8 p.m. is great. And then Ms. Gardner says, perfect. I have you on the guest list. Who else would you like to bring so I can add them to the guest list? Woo, that's a good one. And then he says either just me, or he says, you know what? Now that you mention it, I'm going to bring George and Michelle, George and Maria, right? His wife. And she says, perfect. I have them on the guest list. You want to show up a few minutes early, bring a notepad and a pen? You're all set. That's it.